train first. Transfer is available to the 6 and J trains.
This is an acceptable station. The outlet
Please step aside and let the customers off the train first.
This is a Bowling Green bound 5 train.
The next stop is
Fulton Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Downtown Express train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Please step aside and let the customers off the train first. Transfer is available to the 6 and J trains.
this is an acceptable
Please
station.
step
The
aside and let the customers off the train.
This is a Bowling Green bound 5 train.
The next stop is
Fulton Street.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. We apologize for any inconvenience.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.